Right, so here we are with the FMS A-10, 1.5 metre A-10, twin 70mm EDFs, running off a 6S 6000 pack from Formax. On the market-wise, this is the quickest A-10 to put together. By far, it takes minutes to put this together. No glue, you just, well, actually I lie, one bit of glue to put a little bit on the scale feature on the front on. But otherwise, it is just minutes to screw it together, as opposed to the other A-10 on the market, the free-wing version, where it's relatively quick to assemble, but Jason will, on camera, will take you hours to put the water slide decals on, right? Decals, whatever.
Time consuming.
Super time consuming to make it look good, whereas out of the box, the scheme is already applied to this. The missiles, bombs and rockets just slide on. It's really, really easy to put together, and then just put your receiver in. I'm using because it's got the Reflex version 2 gyro stabilisation system, which is brilliant in any FMS plane it's in. Because of that, I've got an X8R FrSky receiver in here. S8R is the stabilised version, and using my RadioMaster TX16S as normal. Quite a breezy day today. It's got to be about 20 miles an hour wind, but jets eat that up. You know, there's no problem flying jets, and actually it's straight up the strip, and it'll make it easier for takeoff and landing, and good fast wind downwind fast passes. So let's get it in the sky. Let's see how it goes.
One other nice benefit to this one, Dom,
yeah,
is one battery.
It's one pack.
Yeah. My one, it takes two.
One 6S 6000 pack.
Yeah. Whereas my free-wing one, it takes 2 packs.
Yeah.
And it gets a bit of a pain if you want to have several flights in a day.
Yeah, you'd have to buy more packs or recharge. Yeah. Can get expensive.
Plus the scheme on this would be great.
Yeah, the Arctic camo scheme on this looks really good. Going to be high visibility. All right, let's fly it, see how it goes. So I'm not going to use flaps because of the wind. It's so windy I don't need them. Might use half flap on landing. Here we go. And gear up.
It is windy, is it?
It is a bit windy. No trim needed. You get it mechanically sorted and neutral on the control surfaces, you stand a good chance of not needing to put any trim in. I'm in optimised mode on the gyro. Using a bit of rudder as well to pull it around. Nice axial roll, first one. big loop. Fantastic. Doesn't notice that 6S 6000 pack, the size of that, quite big, but 60C, so good power, but not really noticing the weight, to be honest. So one more fast pass, then we're prepped for landing. All right, bring it round. Cut the circuit short, again using rudder, half flat. Whoa, a bit of a jump. I think I hit a little bit of a bump there on the strip. Maybe could have got away with not using flaps for that landing. Oh.
Very windy, Dom.
Yeah, wind making even taxiing difficult.
If we look at the windsock.
Let me come and stand on the other side because of the wind, Jay. So there you go, maiden flight. Honestly, no trim needed. Gyro is fantastic. Before that, it was bobbling around quite a lot, but you put it in optimized mode and it kind of locks it, and it cancels out all of that turbulence that it's getting from the wind. It's not flying it for me. It just makes it look more locked in the air. So that's it, the 1.5 meter A-10 from our friends at FMS. Look it up for the price. Link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks to Jay on camera.
No problem.
We'll be back soon on Essential RC for another episode. We love flying RC. Doesn't matter, as long as it's dry, I don't mind flying. Thanks for watching. See you soon.